Today I want to talk to you about ankle flexibility. Now, ankle flexibility is a big deal because as we age, we all naturally get stiffer, especially in our ankles. And that's a big deal because when you have stiff ankles, you start to be a little bit more fragile in terms of your balance and you're at risk for falling. So, how can you tell if your ankles are stiff? Well, as you can imagine, I have the answer. All you need are some stairs. So watch this. You're going to stand at the top of the stairs, and what I want you to do is simply walk down the stairs. But you're going to do it a specific way. You are going to try to walk down the stairs with your feet pointed directly ahead, straight ahead. And you're going to see if you can do it. So simply, you're going to do like this, and you're going to do like this. Now, that looks pretty simple, doesn't it? What happens if you have stiff ankles? You will do this. You're going to turn your foot out, and you're going to turn your foot out, and you're going to turn your foot out. Now, you do that because when you turn your foot outward, it then does not require you to have a lot of flexibility in your ankle. You can kind of get away with having a stiff ankle and still get downstairs by turning that foot out. See how I exaggerate that? And then you can do this, you can do this. So a down and dirty trick to assess this is to go down those stairs, making sure that those toes are pointed straight ahead. And can you do it? Now, if you have one ankle that's stiffer than the other, what you're going to find that you do is you turn that one foot out and you can keep that other foot straight, but you keep turning that one foot out. Now, so I don't know which one is going to be stiffer on you or if either of them are, but that is a good trick to test yourself and see if you have tightness in your ankles. If you have tightness in your ankles, of course, I have a couple other videos on this channel that I want you to watch on how to stretch out your ankle the right way. So get some stairs, do the walking down the stairs test to see if you have ankle stiffness. Try it out.